Hi guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to change emoji on BeReal. So first you need to log in or tap your application BeReal and log in to your account. Then after that, choose a picture in this home page. And then if you choose one of them, you can tap the emoji at the bottom right corner of the picture. Example, I'm gonna choose here, and then I'm gonna tap the emoji, and you're gonna choose what emoji do you want to give to this person. Example, the emoji thumbs up. And in here, BeReal will show your camera. So I'm gonna make a thumbs up. Now tap check. And that's it. That's how to make emoji on BeReal. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.